Fuck yeah, with some mushroom meat up in that bitch. Oh. So I originally had this afternoon off, but they're hurting for a driver and I was voluntold. So it's gonna be 100 and something today, which means in the front of my bus, because underneath the floorboards on my bus is the transmission. And if you know anything about conduction, thermodynamics and heat transfer and all that bullshit, the heat from the engine does make its way into the transmission. So it radiates up through the floor. So I'm gonna have to, so the original plan was do my route, go to the gym. You know, I wrote a new thing, and we'll get into that. Go to the gym, go home, shower and change, and then come back, like my normal schedule. I was looking forward to my normal schedule. Well, whatever. I help out where I can. We're always short drivers. We're always having to borrow from Portland and all this shit. So I'm gonna do what I can to help out. And you know, I get paid an extra hour and a half. So so yeah, fuck it. So so my exercising routine, my schedule has changed. My routine changed. I just changed it today. It was a 2 on, 1 off, push-pull legs arm split. But I didn't really take into consideration my new, or you know, going back to work. I had all day, and I kind of didn't think about it, because you know, on summer break you have all day. You don't need to do shit. You can just do whatever. So what does that mean for me? What that means for me, oh well, hold on, back up. Why did I decide to change it? Well, Tuesday I went to the gym, and I only had enough time to do three exercises. What's today? Thursday. Yeah, so that was Tuesday. I had enough time to do 3 exercises, and I was like, it felt good to just kind of not have to make sure that I got 6 or 7 exercises plus cardio in within a certain amount of time, in a time block. It felt good. And so, ow, fuck. And so, fucking, dude, if you ever hit a leaf at 60 miles an hour, it fucking hurts, bro. A leaf. So, I reworked it because I have a finite amount of time now. I forgot. So in that finite amount of time, I will be doing just 3 exercises. And I've split it up into 4 blocks, A, B, C, and D. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta. 4 blocks. And in those 4 blocks, I won't be doing the same muscle group each time. And what I mean by that is, like, so block A is not just legs, and B is not just chest, and C is not just back, and so on. It's, and I don't remember exactly off the top of my head because I just made this thing. That was my neighbor. It's going to be like this. It's going to be, I know A's. I remember that one. It's going to be barbell squats, followed by incline barbell chest press. I might be wrong. Followed by easy curls, biceps. And so in that I get legs. I can just smoke the fuck out of them and not have to worry about, you know, other fucking leg workouts that same day. Just squats. Just fucking brutally murder myself with the squats. And then once the legs are smoked, move over to the next one, which will be a completely different body part, chest. And then after that, do a completely different body part, biceps. And then block B would be I'm blanking, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna start doing rear deadlifts, or stiff-legged deadlifts, where it's almost like a normal deadlift, except you don't bend your legs. And so that's a really good hamstring workout and overall posterior chain. In lieu of rows and all that. So it'll be rear deadlift, it'll be tricep cable push downs, and then pull-ups. So I'll just do 3 sets of pull-ups, max, just as far as I can, really focusing on the eccentric. Remember, that's where your gains are. Really focusing on that eccentric for 3 sets, and then do 3 sets of, or 4 sets rather, of lat pull down. Really focusing on the pause at the bottom and the eccentric. With the squats, I've changed my rep range. Now, not everything is going to be high weight, low rep, or vice versa. My squats are going to be a maximum or a minimum of 8 reps, where before I was trying to get between 12 and 20 or so average of 15. So hold on, my mind just went completely somewhere else. Yeah, so squats are going to be a lower weight, higher rep, belted squat. So will the curls. Those are going to be more low weight, high rep, or low rep, fucking high weight, low rep. Chest press will be as well, and whatever. I'll get into more of it later. And of course, everything isn't set in stone. It'll be fine-tuned as time goes on. And I might switch in and out other exercises for the ones that I already have programmed. So, yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be hot as shit today. When I woke up, I got on the bike. Oh, I didn't film this morning. I figured I'll just not film in the morning, because you can't see. I'm just so tired and low energy, and it's just boring. So I'll film on the way home from the gym and the way back into work, and on the way home, except not today and not tomorrow, and I did not yesterday. And the reason for that is because I've noticed filming over 90 degrees, even though, you know, I've got the GoPro sitting on my chin, so you'd think like air would pass over it and cool it down, but the GoPro gets really, really hot. And over 90 degrees, I've noticed that it shuts down. You know, I had one video, it was at the beginning of summer, I think, or whenever it was before I got my microphone, and I was just filming just to film. It was on my chest, and so not a lot of air could pass over it, because my chest and my body and everything was, and the bike was pushing a lot of the air out of the way, so it didn't get a lot of cooling. I think it was like 88, 90 degrees, something like that outside, and just riding through town, it overheated and shut itself off. So being mindful of battery expansion, I've seen a lot of pictures and videos of people with their GoPros. The batteries are stuck in there because they've expanded because they overheated. So to help like prevent that, I'll just skip today this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon. Next week we should be all right because we'll be in like the 70s. I think the hottest day next week will be like 83. Of course, that's projected. No one can really predict the weather. You know, there might be a fucking volcano goes off and then we're all dead. You don't know. Excuse me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go make a steak and egg omelet. Oh fuck yeah, with some mushroom meat up in that bitch. Oh golly, that sounds so good. I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some loose fitting clothes. I might wear sweats to work because they are breathable. They breathe. They're not tight, and it'll help protect my skin from the sun. Which I don't, you know, I'm not really worried about, like, you know, lymphoma or whatever. It's more the heat of the sun. So I'll also wear my Carhartt bright orange long sleeve. Help repel some of those hot rays coming from the hot sun, baby. With my gray sweats, my wife calls them my whore pants. And yeah, go that route. I don't have any like super breathable shoes except for my Converse All-Star high tops, baby. So yeah, it's hot as fuck already. It's 82 or something like that, and it's only fucking 9:30. It's gonna be 100 and something today, which, oh, Tango, that's not hot. I know, I'm from California. I know what hot is, trust me. But I'm acclimated, right, to Pacific Northwest, and it doesn't really hit 100 that often. Okay, I don't want to hear it. Afghanistan was way hot, and I survived. Okay, I know. We had a truck. I was driving a truck in Afghanistan. Our air conditioner went out, and it was 129 degrees outside. Okay, I don't want to hear it. I know what hot is, baby. I know. I did HVAC in the summer in attics. Fuck off. I know what he did. But I love you.